Hi, welcome to Lead Seeds B2B sales and marketing courses. Today, let us show you the best practices of B2B emailing. Let's get started. B2B email marketing is the process of using email to connect with other businesses and promote products or services. Why is B2B emailing so important? It's one of the most effective marketing channels, with a high return on investment. It allows businesses to directly reach potential customers and clients, building relationships and driving sales. Email marketing is also a cost-effective way to reach a large audience. Setting clear goals for your B2B email marketing campaigns is essential to success. Common goals include generating leads, increasing website traffic, and driving sales. A targeted email list is a collection of individuals or businesses that have expressed an interest in your products or services. It allows you to reach a highly engaged audience, and it also allows more effective segmentation and personalization of your campaigns. Make strategies for list building. Offer a free resource in exchange for contact information. Use forms and landing pages on your website to collect contact information. Host events, such as webinars or trade shows. Use social media to promote your lead magnet and drive traffic to your forms and landing pages. Purchase or rent email lists from reputable providers, but be aware that these lists may not be as targeted or engaged as lists built through other methods. Be attentive. Now I'll give you the best practices for subject lines in email design. For the subject lines, keep subject lines short and to the point. Use action-oriented language. Personalize subject lines with the recipient's name or company. Avoid using spam trigger words. For the email design, use a clear and simple layout. Use a responsive design to ensure that emails look good on all devices. Use images, but keep the image-to-text ratio low. Use a clear call to action. For a good personalization, tailor the content to the recipient's interests or pain points. Use dynamic content to show different content to different recipients, based on their behavior or preferences. Use the recipient's name in the email. And finally, use segmentation to send targeted campaigns to different segments of your list. Segment your email list based on demographic information, such as job title or industry. Segment your email list based on behavior, such as website interactions or email engagement. Measuring and analyzing the performance of your email campaigns is essential for understanding their effectiveness and making improvements. There are different key metrics to track. Open rate, the percentage of recipients who opened the email. Click-through rate, the percentage of recipients who clicked on a link in the email. Bounce rate, the percentage of emails that were undelivered. Conversion rate, the percentage of recipients who completed a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. ROI, the return on investment of your email campaigns. In addition, it's also important to track the engagement. Email automation is the process of using software to automatically send targeted and personalized emails to specific segments of your email list. It can save time and improve the effectiveness of your B2B email marketing campaigns. To set up automated campaigns, use marketing automation software, such as HubSpot, Marketo, or Pardot for example, to set up automated campaigns. Identify the specific actions or behaviors that will trigger the automated email. Design the email, including the subject line, body content, and call to action. Use the marketing automation software to set up the trigger, email, and automation flow. Test the automated campaign, and make adjustments as needed to improve performance. Email deliverability refers to the ability of your emails to reach the inboxes of your recipients. Ensuring high email deliverability is essential for the success of your B2B email marketing campaigns. Factors that can impact email deliverability include the quality of your email list, the content of your emails, and your sending reputation. Email service providers, ESPs, use complex algorithms to determine whether to deliver an email to the inbox, spam folder, or block it altogether. Comply with laws and regulations related to email marketing, such as the CAN-SPAM Act and GDPR. Monitor your sending reputation using tools such as Sender Score, and take steps to improve it if necessary. Use a reputable ESP that has a good track record of high deliverability rates. Monitor and analyze your campaigns to identify and address any issues that may be impacting deliverability. There are several laws and regulations related to email marketing, including the CAN-SPAM Act in the US and GDPR in the European Union. These laws and regulations enforce requirements, and non-compliance can result in fines and legal action. Best practices for permission-based emailing. Obtain explicit consent before sending marketing emails. Provide clear opt-out instructions and process opt-outs promptly. Respect the preferences of your recipients, including frequency of emails and type of content. Provide value in every email and avoid sending too many promotional emails. Keep email lists up to date and clean. Email marketing can be an effective tool for lead generation by providing valuable content and calls to action that encourage recipients to engage with your business. Use lead magnets to attract potential customers and encourage them to provide contact information. Use forms and landing pages on your website to collect contact information. Use email to promote your lead magnets and drive traffic to your forms and landing pages. Once you have generated a lead, it's important to nurture that lead through the sales funnel. Use email to provide valuable content, such as educational articles or case studies. Use email to provide personalized and targeted offers, such as free trials or consultations. That will help the lead to take the next step in the sales process. Use email to keep the lead engaged and continue to build the relationship. Email marketing can be an effective tool for driving sales and closing deals with potential customers. Use email to communicate with potential customers and provide them with information. To provide personalized and targeted offers that will help to close the sale. And to follow up with potential customers and keep the sales process moving forward. As you become more experienced with B2B email marketing, you may want to explore advanced techniques to optimize and improve your campaigns. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is the process of comparing two versions of an email to determine which one performs better. Use A/B testing to make data-driven decisions and improve the performance of your campaigns. Integrating email with other marketing channels, such as social media, can help to increase the reach and effectiveness of your campaigns. Use email to drive social media engagement by including social media sharing buttons in your emails. And use social media to promote your lead magnets and drive traffic to your email sign-up forms. Use email to nurture leads generated from other marketing channels, such as trade shows or webinars. If you want to improve audience engagement, collect valuable data, and offer a win-win approach while streamlining your business processes, give LeadSeed a try. Upgrade your content and improve your business with LeadSeed.